Welcome to 21 Days of Abundance. I am only a vessel of information and intentions, as prescribed by Deepak Chopra's program. Today is day 12 of Abundance. Abundance and the law of intent and desire. Attention energizes. Intention transforms. In today's meditation, we will look at the law of intent and desire. Whatever you want and need in life can be programmed in this day's computer. It has unlimited organizing power to work for you, clearly articulating the intention and throwing its seed in the field of all possibilities. Thus, you will attract the right people as well as favorable situations and circumstances, which will help you in the manifestation and implementation of your desires. Ask yourself these questions. What is your highest intention in life? What can you do to make this happen? How will this intention best serve you and others? Today, the task would be ask your mother what's her biggest pain or disappointment has been in her life, and what is her dream and or great desire that remains unfulfilled. Write the answers in your notebook. If your mother is no longer with you or you are unable to ask her personally, go into a state of meditation. Ask and listen to the answers. Write it down. The phrase for today to be written down in your notebook and repeatedly uttered. I place my intention into the vast ocean of all possibilities and allow the universe to work through me. I place my intentions into the vast ocean of all possibilities and allow the universe to work through me. Attention energizes. Intention transforms. The mantra from today: Om Ridham Nama. Om Ridham Nama. Thank you, and I'm grateful to be connected with you, regardless if you choose to participate or not. Happy to share together this amazing journey called life. You can find the meditation audio in the next